All the way, look legs. Nice. Jobby.
So I received a lot of DMs on the back kick I did on in Naga on this weekend. What's happening here is whenever you see the partner's leg going over your foot, that means he's going for that inversion. You will basically want to let him get off the ground because this is where you can take his back. I'm gonna cup his far hip and I'm gonna bring my knee that is on the mat in his hip pocket. From this position, you really want to bait your partner by allowing him to fully invert, but not give him your knee line. So see, this knee is what he wants. If my knee is pointing towards his chest, he's gonna backstep and get my knee pretty easily. So what I do is I cup his hip and I point my knee that he wants up to the ceiling. Now it's free. And the moment he goes for the full inversion, then you bring your knee into your chest and tap his knee in. See what I mean? I change the direction of his inversion. So I go like this.
That was good. Yeah.